Welcome babukeli xhosa predictors. Siyanamkela namhlanje. Before you start a deep, before you think, and I know it's stressing to bet, make sure you have a tin of score, and it will show your day, it will make you to think straight, it will make you to feel free by the score. Okay, let's go to the games of today. We're gonna take England teams. The first one it will be Bournemouth against Brighton. So Bournemouth is struggling, they are fighting by everything to go away from relegation zone. But I think Brighton and a draw will be safe for you, betters. And the second one is Leeds against Nottingham Forest. Another one, Nottingham Forest is struggling. They're the second on the bottom. They are struggling. They want to go out from the relegation zone. But to be safe, you can just give Leeds 2 goals. Because that game is not easy. Leicester versus Aston Villa. Hey, Leicester, their season is not good. But I see Aston Villa in the draw. We go to Chelsea and Liverpool. Liverpool are coming out from a loss to Man City. They aren't going to afford to lose again. So it will be safe to say Liverpool and a draw. We go to Juventus against Inter Milan. Remember, Inter Milan, they lose against Fiorentina. It's a tough one. Juventus, they win their last game and they are on form this season. I think Juventus and a draw will be fine. We go to the second one. It's Eintracht Frankfurt against Union Berlin. They give Union Berlin 2 goals. We go to the second one. It's Atletico Bilbao from Spain against CA Osasuna. I think 10 minutes draw will help you there. Just say 10 minutes draw. First half 10 minutes draw. And then, no, just say 10 minutes draw, yeah, to that game of Atletico Bilbao against Osasuna. And then Bayern Munich against Freiburg in Germany. I think goals over 1.5 would be safe for you. We go to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is Al Dahar FC against Al Nasri for Ronaldo. I think a straight win for Al Nasri will be safe for you. And then the second team in Saudi Arabia, they are in form, they are the best, they are number 2 in their league. It's Al Ittihad against Denmark. I think Al Ittihad is going to win a straight win. And then we go to Spain, to Netherlands, where they are playing a league, a cup. It's Spakenburg against PSV, give a straight win to PSV. And then we have Basel in Switzerland against Young Boys, give 10 minutes draw. We go to Eken Agoso against Trons from Turkey, give them 10 minutes draw also. And then it's Al Fahar against Al Hilal Rajai, just say both halves under 1.5. And then the second, another one is Mamelodi Sundowns in South Africa against Cape Town City, just say Sundowns in the draw. It's Red Rovers against Hamilton Academical, just say both halves under 1.5. Yeah. No. Let's leave that one. Let's go to Egypt. Aswan FC against Samoa. Just say, just give Samoa handicaps of 2 goals. We go to, I think for the team we've done, because I think our 3 odds is there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drink your beautiful score. It will make your day, it will make you think straight. Just chill with score. Thank you, TV.